But Swamin, thank you so much for getting us all those stocks which are moving in on the radar of some very, very big hands out there. But with that, let's also get in Ajit Mishra, the Senior Vice President of Research at Religare Broking, who joins us on the show. Good afternoon, Ajit. Thanks for joining in. Your assessment of the benchmark indices now, what are you making of them?
Yeah, good afternoon, Agam. So Agam, it's a tussle basically, which we have been observing for last 3-4 trading session, that bulls are trying to defend in January month low around 22,800. At the same time, bears are not giving much to their comfort ground. So I feel that at least on the index front, it's comparatively better picture. It's just that today, if we exclude the session that mid cap are also, small cap are also participating in the move, but largely it still seems like consolidation in the index. Today being the weekly expiry, I believe that this kind of sideways tone might continue in this range of 22,800 to 23,000 mark. And probably after that, we may see some clarity over the next direction move in the index.
Okay. Ajit, a quick take with regard to the Bank Nifty levels that you're looking out for, or would that also be a wait and watch?
So banking comparatively is better. In fact, banking and IT in the recent occasions has played out critical role in defending 22,800 mark in the Nifty index. But at the same time, we are seeing struggle around 20 EMA in the banking index also close to around 49,600 levels. We passed or crossed that mark decisively, on the intraday basis, but we couldn't sustain. So as of now, I feel that banking is comparatively better, and in case if Nifty has to, inch toward 23,050 mark or maybe higher, the role of banking is going to be critical. So from here on, let's say if we manage to surpass and hold above this first barrier of 20 EMA around the 49,500 zone, then probably 50,000, 50,500 is something also that the market, the banking index can attempt.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go back to Siddharth and I'm going to get his views on at least one of the stocks that Samit mentioned, and that's Polycab. Of course, it's corrected with the rest of the markets, as is the case for Havells India. And the real question is, Siddharth, for you would be that what do you do with
Ajit? Your quick picks for this afternoon.
Right. So, if you see that most of the names, from the F&O basket, we are seeing a recovery, but we have handful of names wherein we are seeing noticeable resilience throughout this decline, and the focus should be more on those names as of now until we see a clear sign of directional change in the index as well. So basis that, Chambal Fertilizer, which is trading closer to its record high, has been almost like 2.5 months. The stock has been trading in a broader consolidation range, and currently trading closer to its upper band of this area. So possibility of a breakout seems high from the current level. So 558 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So with stop at 520, you can start accumulating Chambal Fertilizer at current levels. Then we have Bajaj Finance also from the NDTV basket, which is doing exceptionally well. It's been almost a 3-year long consolidation phase that the stock has ended. It has reclaimed its record high also. So the recent pause after making a new high is basically offering a buying opportunities to those who missed the chance earlier. 8640 is what we are eyeing as an immediate target with stop at 8280.
Then, well, on that note, let's get in Rucha to tell us about the 3 stocks which are on her radar. Rucha.
This was on the bearish side, and this is the overall outlook that we are seeing in terms of the RVNLS and what the industry outlook is.
Hey, Anushi, thank you so much for joining us and giving us that update on RVNL, the bull versus bear picture. But Ajit, I want to come back to you on Tata Motors because this is something that was interesting. So while we cover the fundamentals, I wanted your view on the technicals here as well.
So Agam, we are in the 7th month of correction, and despite the oversold position, we are not seeing any sign of a decisive rebound. Means the stock had made multiple attempts to reclaim its first area of resistance, that is 20 EMA. But after a couple of days of consolidation, it eventually resumes the overall downtrend. From the last 7-8 days, we are seeing some sign of like, pause or the volumes have dried up substantially also. So this indicates somehow that sellers are also exhausted after this, complete mayhem in the last 7-8 months. So this could trigger a surprise move, a positive move, once we see the stock surpassing 705 levels. In that case, it could be a very sharp move towards 760, 780 area also. So as of now, it's in a wait and watch, but yes, the way, the price and volumes are, portraying the current picture, possibility of a strong rebound is high. But having said that, one should not get carried away because we are not seeing any decline. Wait for the confirmation, wait for a breakout above 705 before entering any fresh trade.
Okay, Ajit, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your views on the markets and, of course, a handful of ideas that we discussed. But on to another set of stocks that may remain